Welcome to the introduction to the Lightroom Workspace. This can be overwhelming for people who are brand new to Lightroom, but once you get the hang of it, it is really quite simple, and it'll just be like hanging out in your backyard. It really is. You'll get the hang of it. So in Lightroom, and I'm in Lightroom Classic, which is, most users should be in Lightroom Classic. This gives you all the bells and whistles that Adobe has created for you, and it is the souped up race car of Lightrooms is what you want to be using if you're on a laptop or a desktop. And so the two main modules you're going to use in Lightroom are the library and the develop. The library allows you to manage high volumes of photos. So if we click on my catalog here, we see all my photographs that Lightroom knows about that I've imported are 44,423. That's a lot of photos. They're not all on my laptop. They're on an external hard drive. Just a few of them are on my laptop. But Lightroom knows about them, and I can access them and see changes I made or collections I've made, everything, even from 5-6 years ago. So the catalog in the library module helps us manage the photos via collections, which we'll have a video about later, keywords. We can search by metadata. There's a lot we can do so that when you say you import 2,000 photos, you're able to manage those pictures. Down here is what's called the Filmstrip, and it's showing what collection you're on or a group of keywords that you searched or most recent import. So that's what this is down here. It's called the Filmstrip. And in the library module, you can change how you view things by the thumbnails. You can change the size. You can also change it so that you're just seeing one picture at a time. So this is the loop view. This is the grid view. Over here in the Develop module, you're always going to be seeing one picture at a time, but your film strip remains the same down here at the bottom. On the left-hand side, we have the preset panel where you can access presets that you've installed, snapshots, which you'll learn about later, history, and so on. And the thing to note about Lightroom is that it's non-destructive. It's not going to harm your images. It's going to make changes, and then when we export, it's going to create a new file. It's not going to overwrite your image as it is. On the right-hand side, we see all these different panels where you can make changes one by one to your image, and these are called global edits. We also have our local adjustments up here that will be specific to certain areas of your image. So that is the workspace, very quick and fast, the library and the develop. There are other modules, but I won't get into that in this overview.